If you're experiencing issues with the EAFC25 update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or devices to confirm that your network is functioning. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve update issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on to see if the update proceeds. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clearing the cache can help. For Xbox, hold the power button for 10 seconds to turn it off, then unplug it for a minute. For PlayStation, you can turn it off and then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game settings or using disk cleanup tools. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming it. This can sometimes kickstart the download process. Go to your game library, find EAFC25, and select the option to pause and then resume the update. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up any saved data if necessary. Following these steps should help you resolve the issue with the update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.